I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Hello there, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with this week's Dark Pool Insights. It's October 9th, 2023, and guess what? Seasonality has turned bullish. Guys, remember a couple weeks ago I showed you how we bottom out pretty much the first week of October, and then over the past 20 years we've had a rally, but do we have the prints? Well, just so happened to get a lot of very interesting dark pool activity this week. So we did hit lots of targets. Wow, in both directions, you guys. Let's take a look first at our previous swings, and you can see that gold and silver hit lots of downside targets along with the utilities, XLU there. But did we find a bottom? Is this the splash? As you know, we got those massive prints in. So I've mapped out all new swings for you this week in that sector. Oil stocks got completely hammered, hitting most of our targets, as you can see there, along with transportation stocks. Even emerging markets hit lots of downside targets as well. Target retail stocks, Walmart, got completely clobbered. But guess what? Techs, super strong. Friday, huge turnaround. Meta, Nvidia, AMD were on fire. Will it continue? Well, I've got new swing setups for you there, but financials took a hit, as well as crypto hit lots of our downside targets. And here are the results for the SPY, Russell, and Qs. All right, we need some new swings. Yeah, let's get to it. It is earnings season. Oh, you can see even uranium pulled back. All right, but I have a new trade set up for you there. So I've had to be picky once again. But let's start with the SPY. All right, the level that I'm really watching on the SPY is 425. All right, we have two big levels here. And we got this other 6.5 million at 424. So yeah, it looks like they are trying to build a position down here. Will it bounce? Well, here's our trade set up this week. Bullish above 431.25. Bear below 420. As you know, I already mapped out a trade for you in the Insights Plus in the bullish direction. Let's check out the IWM. Yeah, it looks like we're getting some heavier levels down below here. So we have a hammer candle. We're going to be bullish above 175 this week and bear below 170. And the QQQs, we just got a 3.7 level on October 6th on Friday. And that was a big rally. So bullish this week above 367.50, bear below 360. Even the DIA, yeah, got a little bit heavier. If you recall, didn't mean to do that. If you recall, we had these sell prints up here. Remember when I showed you this, right? So we do have a heavier level, not as heavy as they sold up top, but we'll see what comes up this week. But keep your eye on the DIA. Bullish above 336, bear below 329, and check this massive trade on SSO. This is the Ultra Pro S&P 500 ETF. It's got like Apple, Microsoft, stuff like that in it. I wouldn't trade SSO, but definitely watch these levels. Bullish above 55, bear below 51. I would trade the SPY or the Qs instead, but this was highly unusual. All right, let's move on to gold stocks. We got GDX, the miners, and it looks like we hit a support area for GDX. So we're going to be bullish above 27.50. So we did get some dark pool activity this week. Bear below 26. Gold, we've got some very big prints coming in on GLD. We had that 1.5 million, really big, and we hit the 200 simple moving average on the weekly chart. That's why I say this could be the bottom. The dollar also had an upthrust close on Friday. So, yeah, we'll see. Bullish above 171.25, bear below 167.50. Let's check out gold. GOLD, Barrick Gold having some prints coming in. Bullish above 15 this week, bear below 14. Let's check out Utilities XLU had lots of dark pool activity. This week we hit a long-term downward trend line and it bounced. So let's see if we bounce further. I did an option recommendation for this one last week, and I'll definitely give you some more this week. But bullish above 58, bear below 55. Let's check out oil. We have an unusual dark pool activity on COP. Yeah, I don't normally see this, so it caught my eye. Bullish above 117, bear below 112. And SWN. Yeah, bullish above 660, bear below 6. We got XLE, the energy ETF, with some prints coming in. Is it going to bounce? Bullish above 88.50, bear below 84. Transportation, I've got my eye on Carnival. Lots of dark pool activity. It takes them a while to form a position, but we're going to be bullish above 14 and bear below 12.50. And I really like this one on LI Auto. Lots of prints. Bullish above 35.50, bear below 34. Next is Plug. Lots of dark pool prints coming in this week. Where are they going to take it? Bullish above 7, bear below 6. And let's switch gears to emerging markets. We got China hitting a lower trend line. We're going to be bullish above 26.50, bear below 25.50. Retail, Chewy with $1 million print. Remember the big sell print we spotted a while back before that crash? Yeah, I think that was like 4 million. So 1 million, you know, we'll see if it bounces here. Bullish above 20. Bear below 17.50, or maybe we're going to see some more prints coming in. But Disney had lots of prints coming in this week. And a bounce. It has that morning star pattern, which I'll be going over this week in the training pit. Bottoming patterns and Japanese candles, combining candles and dark pool prints. So join me this week and in our advanced training pit for that. If you want to learn about them. Disney bullish above 83.50. Bear below 79.50. Wendy's had unusual dark pool print. We don't normally see this. Bullish above 20. Bear below 18.50. And XLP with lots of prints coming in on this ETF. Is it the bottom? Well, we've been there before back in last September. Yep, bottoming out. So are we going to have a repeat? Looks like it. Bullish above 67.50. Bear below 66. We've got AMD. We got a little bit more time before earnings. I just love the setup. Bullish above 108, bear below 101. And check out this other technology stock, ALIT. Massive, almost 5 million print. Then there's another 500, 500. So something's going on with ALIT. Maybe it's going to light up. Bullish above 7, bear below 625. Financials are reporting earnings, but we had a lot of prints on bonds. TLT, 87.50, bullish above, bear below 84.75. XLF, we're watching this one, bullish above 33.50, bear below 32.50. And BNDX, another bond ETF with unusual prints. Bullish above 48, bear below 47. We've got one print on crypto, Riot, 800,000. Is it the bottom? We'll see. Bullish above 10, bear below 8.50, and get ready to take some pictures. We've got lots of gold stocks still, utilities, some oil, slide number 1. Let's check out slide number 2. Continuing with oil, some transportation stocks, emerging markets. Slide number 3. More emerging markets, retail. Slide number 4, financials, tech. Slide number 5, financials, ETFs. And you see I have the SSO and the DIA. And then our last slide is the SPY, Russell, and the Qs. I will not be putting out an insights video next weekend. I will be traveling, so I'll be back in 2 weeks, but I will be putting out new option recommendations this week and next week. So until next time, happy trading, everybody.
Can you keep it my secret? secret.